You've heard of the Gresford Disaster, the terrible price that was paid. 262 colliers were lost, and 3 of the rescue brigade. It occurred in the month of September. At 2 in the morning, that pit was racked by a violent explosion in the Demise where the gas lay so thick. The gas in the Demise deep section was packed there like snow in a drift, and many's the man had to leave that cold face before he had worked out his shift. A short while before the explosion, to the shot firer Tomlinson cried, "If you fire that shot, we'll be all blown to hell," and no one can say that he lied. The fireman's reports are all missing, the records of 42 days. The colliery manager had them destroyed to cover his criminal ways. Down there in the dark they are lying. They died for 9 shillings a day. They've worked out their shift, and it's now they must lie in the darkness until Judgment Day. But the Lord Mayor of London's collecting to help our poor children and wives. The owners have sent some white lilies, dear God, to pay for the poor miners' lives. Farewell to our wives and our children, farewell to our comrades as well. Don't send your sons down the dark dreary mines, they'll be damned like the sinners in hell. They'll be damned like the sinners in hell.